Are you tired of waiting for too long in line? Considering your time is an important asset and there's no way you can get out of this situation. Representing QPAL. QPAL is a real-time queue tracking system that uses a WebSocket layer to connect reactively with different clients. Say less now to frustrating queue. The app considered the appeal of people. Now they can walk around while waiting for their queues to be called on app. Well, does it mean I will not go physically in queue? Yes. Does it mean I can go farther whenever I want? Definitely. That's the use of app. And now, I will guide you how do you use the app. Starting from the landing page, you will see the description about the QPAL. Going further, you will see a sign up button. Click it. Let's first act as the stop. We will go log in. Click a session. So what are these? The knob sees the customer who has been appointing. You will see a randomized code. This code needs to input by customer to go in this session. The zero will change whenever you click the next button. Now proceeding to the buttons, there is back. We want to return the page. Break. You will see this whenever you want to announce a break or terminating a session. Add customer. In case the customer does not have phone or data, you as the staff can manually add them as a guest. And next, to control the current serving queue. And lastly, the list, where you see the customer being in the session. To visualize a customer, I will get my phone and log in as a customer. After login, you will see a field where it says input a code. You will input what the staff has says code to you. After entering a valid code, this will redirect you to the issue field. The issue field is an optional field. However, to see by the staff quickly the issue, I will just input here a major problem. Going back to the staff client, you will see a customer in the list. Going back to the client, you will see a yellow ticket that says my ticket is 1 and the current queue is 0. There is also a cancel session whenever you want to end your session. To show simultaneously the process of staff and customer, I will display both screen. On the staff client, I will click the next button. As you observe from clicking, you see both client has increment by 1. In our customer side, we see an alert that their queue number is currently served. Meanwhile, in our staff client, you see the box has been filled with current customer. If you notice, there are 3 buttons: timer, no-show, and appoint. Timer is a 60 seconds duration waiting time for customer to call in counter. The timer stays whenever you refresh because it is stored in local storage. The button no-show to label a customer that did not show. And the point button to label a customer that did show and already completed the appointment. To announce a break, I will click the break button and input the time I will begin. This will alert the customers. But let's say you are already back in a session, just click back session. Now, if you have no Wi-Fi or phone, you can ask the staff to add you. But you will wait in the counter until your name is called. Back to our customer client. Even you accidentally back the page, the session will stay.